slushies. Then here's the table.
And does this carnival have a name?
Carnival of Fun. And that's my fountain. I like leashed them to those. It looks like they're just floating in there. Ew.
Well, Sage trapped that on video forever.
This is my favorite thing. See, it's the fireworks.
That is so cool. Fireworks. Wait, go back real quick. Oh, it goes up. Okay, I was like, wait, that doesn't say fireworks. Where it starts at the bottom and goes up. This is where you get your random fireworks. Oh, that's cool. Wait, you just flip the thing. Oh my gosh.
It's a dispenser.
That is so cool.
I put that up there because I kept killing myself. Here's the table. I put so much there so there's light. Popcorn.
Huh.
In the candy world, the painting is popcorn.
Oh, that's cool.
You should kill her. I mean, Mama.
And your Ferris wheel?
Yeah. My favorite Steve.
Wait, it moves too?
No, if it did, that'd be awesome. But it doesn't. If it did, I'd be amazing. Then you gotta go up here to get into the chairs. Yeah. She's going to the top. Right here, I did some more levers to make it look like there was something. You see, there's like chairs right there.
Oh, that's cool.
That's the very top. Mama's going to be a queen. She's the queen of videos. See, that's where you come out for fire. Now you got round. Yep, because you're the queen of videos.
That's pretty cool.
Then you should see my favorite house.
Does that say something in the sky?
Like a devil face. Yeah.
A devil face?
Yep. I showed you this house. I hope the train comes. My favorite one. Help the train honk, Jada. Help the train honk. Made just a little sitting area. And here's also sitting area.
You're so creative.
And I did that kind of perfect. There's my kitchen. The cat. No, this is next house. I got my jail over there. I haven't finished it yet, but I got the top floor done. It's for the officers to hang out and stuff after they arrest people. See, it's really big.
Jeebus. You're planning on arresting a lot of people.
I'm probably just gonna. This is where the officers can hang out.
Cool beans.
Fountain right in the middle of the room.
Nice.
Over here is TV. Those shelves. And I made a hot tub.
Hot tub. Oh my goodness. That is definitely cool. Good job.